there's two functions that are just being multiplied by each other, so it's usually not that hard to see when you're going to use them. You're going to use the rule. So look at the first one here. The function is 6x squared plus 2, all to be multiplied by 3x minus 2. So there is another way you could do it. You could just multiply out those double brackets, and then you can just differentiate as normal, but it's often a lot easier just to use the product rule, and you can get awkward ones in this as well, so you have to know how to use the product rule. So it's u dv dx plus v du dx, so where u and v are both functions of x. So if u times v, so sort of when they're being multiplied. So we're just going to call one of the things u, and we're going to call the other one v. So we're just going to call 6x squared plus 2u and 3x minus 2v. So for the purposes of this question, that's u, that's v. So, and then it's pretty straightforward from there. So we're just, first part of it is, right, so dy dx is equal to, so we're just going to write down u first, because u is the first part of it. So that's 6x squared plus 2. Now I'm going to write down what dv dx is. So that just means that it's the differential of v. So the differential of v with respect to x. So the differential of v there, it'll be 3 in the end. So 1 times 3 is 3, drop down to the power of the minus 2 is a constant. So 3. Plus comes next. Then v, I'm writing down v next, which is 3x minus 2. And the last thing is the du dx part. So that's just the differential of u with respect to x. So it'll be 2 times 6 is 12, so 12x, and then plus 2 because it's not a constant, it's the power of x. So 12x plus 2. And that'll be it then. So you can go on and just put the 3 in front there just to tidy it up slightly. And you could go and multiply out these double brackets, but there's no real need, or it's not required here anyway. That's going to be the answer. Now I should say as well that that's the misprint there. It should say dy dx, so it's just differentiating as normal. So it's always finding dy dx. So if you want to try this one and then play it on, and I'll go through the answer. So this is going to be u for this one, this will be v. So our general rule is dy dx equals u dv dx plus v du dx. And that product rule, that's in the log tables as well. So u is the first thing, x squared plus 2 times dv dx, which will just be 1 here because the x will differentiate to 1, plus v, which is x minus 1. Du dx will be just 2x. So that's just going to give you x squared plus 2 plus, let's just do 2x times x, so 2x squared. 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x. I'll just keep going here just to make it a bit simpler. You don't really have to, but it's better to. So we get 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. And that's it then, we're done. So that's the product rule.